Making our way to Oxford, Mississippi, home to the University of Mississippi, also known as Ole Miss. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and I want to thank you all so much for tuning into another episode. And we have so much to cover today, so I'm not going to hold y'all in this intro, but some housekeeping stuff per usual. Before we get started, please go ahead, hit that like button, comment, say hi. I love this video. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest content. And y'all, this truly helps my channel a lot. It's almost 100 degrees outside. I'm out here sweating doing these campus tours. So please, y'all, at least just like the video. But y'all, so we're gonna go around this campus today, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a best fit just for you. So without any further ado, y'all, let's go ahead and let's get rolling. All right, y'all, before we move forward, I want to give a huge shout out to MJEN Drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJEN Drinks, MJEN They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out, purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them. All right, y'all. So our first stop today is going to be the Student Union. So y'all know this is my favorite spot on campuses. So basically, we have 3 different levels. Each level has something different to offer, but the bookstore is on both level 1 and level 2. And on level 1, you have the food court. So this is where you want to go, grab a bite to eat between classes, or after a long day, you want to grab. They have different food places here. I'm going to show you all what they're like, but it's just a really chill place to be at. And if you want to get some books here, you can at the Barnes & Noble bookstore, and they also have a Barnes & Noble like coffee shop over there. So I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all what this has to offer here at the Student Union at Ole Miss.
What we do here is go back.
Now, for everyone who loves sports, fitness, all things athletics, we are moving into that portion of our video. This is the South Campus Recreation Center. It has a fitness space, 3 fitness studios, 2 basketball courts, a multi-activity court, a walking slash jogging track, classroom demonstration kitchen, and a convenience store. And then we head over to Manning Way, where you are going to find a lot of facilities here. First, you're going to see the Vaught Hemingway Stadium. Not sure if I said that correctly, but we do have the Vaught Hemingway Stadium there. And then on top of that, we have the Athletics Performance Center, which is right there surrounding Vaught Hemingway Stadium. Next there you have the track, and yeah, so it's just a lot of athletic facilities around here. So this pavilion is home to the men and women's basketball team. It has a capacity of 9,500 fans, and yeah, it's a multi-purpose arena as well. This is the Walk of Champions, which is a timeless tradition at Ole Miss. So 2 hours before football games, the fans line up in the Grove for a chance to see the team walk towards the stadium. Speaking of tailgates, welcome to the Grove. So this is where the tailgates are, and according to a 2024 study, Ole Miss ranks number 2 in the nation for the best college tailgates. And this is, like I said, the Grove. It is a 10-acre grassy plot of land in the center of campus, which is heavily shaded by large oak trees. Named after Don Cole and Larry Martindale, this is the Student Service Center. So as you can hear it, this is all things student services. If you want a campus tour, you're going to come here. It has the Office of Financial Aid. Anything student service related, you're going to want to come to this Student Service Center. Well, y'all, that is a wrap on Ole Miss. I hope I was able to show you all enough of the campus to see, if this may be a fit just for you. If you want to pursue it, if you know somebody that wants to pursue it, share this video with them because it could be very helpful. Y'all, it's hot and I'm ready to go. So y'all, before we end this video, thank you all so much for your support. If you made it to the end, you are a true roller. Before we sign out, please do me a huge favor. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest content. And until the next video, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.